G'day guys, welcome back. Too many projects, not enough time. I'm Andrew. Here we are back in the shop and we're getting back into Ivy here. Now Ivy is your typical Land Rover and she's definitely no different than any other. She has already started marking her territory, which I was a little surprised at, but anyway, we're going to fix that, at least this particular marking your territory problem. She has started marking her territory with her steering box. The seal on the very bottom is, I guess, got a little old and worn and possibly a little hard. So we're going to pop that seal out and replace it today. And we'll stop her marking her territory with the steering box at least. And I'm sure she'll be marking it with differentials and engines and transfer cases and gearboxes at some point in the future here, as well as we continue to get her back together. So let's get into the steering box. A few other things. Like in the last video, I said I'd get on to getting some other bits cleaned up. Well, we have these sandblasted and ready for the paint, and we'll replace those bushings. We're going to replace all the bushings in her when we do it. So they're ready for paint. I may even look at electroplating instead of paint, but either way, we'll get them finished up and sealed up, either paint or plated, as well as get the bushings replaced in her as well. And but for today, let's do the steering box. Alright guys, there we go. bottom seals replaced. She's back in the truck, and at least for now, the only thing that has grease on her besides the back axle is going to be leak free. So she can't mark her territory with the steering box anymore. Thanks very much for coming along. Remember to like and subscribe, and comment below. Shows me that you're listening, and I appreciate that very much. And we'll see you next time. Take it easy.